Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today, me and my lab mates are going to explain how we identify and classify some minerals.
So basically, there are three main objectives of this experiment. The first one is to recognize and describe the physical properties of the minerals. The second one, to use minerals identification key to name the minerals. And the last one is to identify hardness of minerals using the MOHD scale. So basically, there are two kinds of properties for minerals, which are physical properties and chemical properties. So for physical properties, we have color, luster, hardness, cleavage and fracture. For color and luster, we examine the minerals using our visual. And then for the hardness, we use the MOHD hardness scale by scratching the minerals with different material to examine the hardness of the minerals. And lastly, for the cleavage and fracture, we see how the mineral breaks and then we determine it breaks on which axis. And then for the chemical properties, we have magnetism, acid reaction and streak color. But unfortunately for this experiment, we don't have the hydrochloric acid to react with the mineral. So we test the magnetism and also the streak by rubbing the minerals on the plain porcelain plate.
Okay, now I'm going to talk about the results of the experiment. We experimented on 5 different minerals. So for the first mineral, we have the luster for it is non-metallic and it is vitreous. And for the MOHD hardness scale, it is 7. And there is no cleavage for these minerals because the cuttings is inconsistent. And the streak color, when we scratch the mineral in the porcelain plate, there is white color. For this mineral, it is quartz. And we move on to the second mineral. The second mineral, luster, is non-metallic. It is pearly. And the MOHD hardness scale is 2. The cleavage is basal, which is flat. And the streak color is colorless. This mineral name is muscovite. And we move on to the third one. The luster is non-metallic and it is vitreous. And the MOHD hardness scale is 2. The cleavage is basal and the streak color is pear brown. The mineral's name is biotite. And we move on to the fourth mineral. The luster is also non-metallic. It is vitreous. The MOHD hardness scale is 3 and the cleavage is rhombohedral. The streak color is white and the mineral name is calcite. And we move on to the last mineral. The luster is non-metallic. It is pearly. The MOHD hardness scale is 6. The cleavage is cubic. The streak color is white and the mineral name is autoclase.
So, to sum up, determining rock properties is a critical aspect of various scientific and engineering fields, including geology, petroleum engineering, civil engineering, and environmental science. The analysis of rock properties provides valuable insights into the behavior and characteristics of subsurface materials.